Hey, welcome back to the KIMLUD channel. We're excited to jump into a new topic today.
Imagine stepping into a place where science fiction feels like daily life, a place where humanoid robots walk beside you, cars lift off the ground, and police stations operate without a single human officer. That was the atmosphere at GITEX Global 2025, held from October 13th to 17th at the Dubai World Trade Center. This year's event brought together over 7,000 companies from 180 countries, showcasing technologies that seem almost too advanced to be real. The Gulf Information Technology Exhibition once again redefined what the future looks like. Let's take a closer look at the biggest highlights from GITEX 2025. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of innovation. The Chinese tech wave hits Dubai. GITEX 2025 was dominated by Chinese innovation, with over 300 companies showcasing cutting-edge robotics and AI. Agibot, known internationally as Megabot, drew massive attention with its humanoid robots. The flagship A2 model and smaller X2 demonstrated advanced embodied AI, allowing them to sense, adapt, and respond in real time. The A2, built for customer service, recognized faces, emotions, and adjusted behavior, stepping back at raised voices or smiling in response. The X2 entertained crowds with synchronized dances, while the modular G1 learned to handle varied objects, highlighting China's growing mastery in human-robot interaction and real-world AI integration. AI, policing, and smart security. The Dubai Police Pavilion once again amazed visitors with futuristic policing concepts that looked straight out of a movie. AI-powered electric patrol cars equipped with 360-degree high-resolution cameras can automatically detect traffic violations, recognize license plates, and even check residency status in real time. Each vehicle acts as a mobile AI command center, analyzing patterns and communicating directly with the police data hub. The event also introduced smart police stations, fully automated service kiosks that allow citizens to report crimes, pay fines, or request documents without the presence of officers. One of the most intriguing displays was the floating police station designed for coastal and marine zones. Another key innovation was the DPR-2 Ground Patrol E robot, which began official service at Global Village on October 15, 2025. This robot operates autonomously, equipped with navigation cameras and environmental sensors, transmitting live data to police headquarters. The rise of AI rescue systems. Abu Dhabi Civil Defense and K2 unveiled the RAD Rescue Command Vehicle, a groundbreaking fusion of robotics, AI, and drone technology for emergency response. Built with 4x4 all-wheel drive for rugged terrains, it houses 2 autonomous drones equipped with thermal cameras and mini extinguishers to assess disaster sites remotely. Inside, a 4-legged robot navigates hazardous areas filled with smoke or toxic gases. Powered by NVIDIA Orin processors, the RAD performs real-time analysis and AI-driven decision-making, allowing rapid, autonomous crisis management. A new age of transportation. GITEX 2025 showcased how futuristic mobility is rapidly becoming a reality. Xpeng captured global attention with the Aerote EVL, a 2-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that forms part of its innovative land aircraft carrier system, a hybrid between a 6-wheeled vehicle and a detachable flying module. With 600 orders confirmed across the Middle East and deliveries set for 2027, the EVL symbolizes the dawn of dual-mode transportation. Tensor Auto also unveiled its groundbreaking Robocar, a fully autonomous Level 4 personal vehicle requiring no license or insurance. Using 5 LiDARs, over 100 sensors, and adaptive AI, it offers seamless, data-secure self-driving convenience that learns user preferences and routines for effortless mobility. Luxury met innovation with Mercedes-Benz's concept AMG GTX, a hypercar delivering over 1,000 kilowatts of power and achieving speeds beyond 360 kilometers per hour. Its battery charges 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes, proving unmatched efficiency and engineering mastery. Meanwhile, China's GAC Group introduced the Air Car, a carbon fiber vehicle capable of both driving and short-range flight via 12 propellers. Priced at around $230,000 with a 20-kilometer flight range, it remains experimental, yet hints at a future where personal aerial commuting could soon become reality. The March of the Humanoids, GITEX 2025, was filled with next-generation robots redefining machine intelligence. China's Galbot unveiled its G1 humanoid, a 173-centimeter robot, using embodied AI and the DEX GraspNet dataset of 1.3 million simulations to master object handling. It operated autonomously, showcasing real-world readiness. Booster Robotics' T1 amazed crowds by playing soccer independently, while Unix AI's Wanda 2.0 served coffee with lifelike precision, using tactile sensors, cameras, and gyroscopes. These demonstrations revealed how close humanoids are to daily integration, suggesting a future where home assistant robots handle chores, interact naturally, and blend seamlessly into modern life, bridging science fiction and reality, government tech, and smart cities. The UAE Government Pavilion at GITEX 2025 showcased a stunning vision of futuristic governance and mobility. At its core was a massive AI avatar, a lifelike digital head capable of speech recognition, lip synchronization, and emotional expression, symbolizing the rise of intelligent digital assistants. The highlight was Midnight by Archer Aviation, an electric air taxi carrying 4 passengers and a pilot at 240 kilometers per hour, recharging in just 10 minutes. Planned routes will connect Dubai International Airport to the city in 7 minutes and Dubai to Abu Dhabi in just 35, transforming urban transport and demonstrating the UAE's leadership in building smart, connected cities of tomorrow. Conclusion. As GITEX 2025 closed its doors on October 17th, it left visitors with one undeniable message: the future is no longer a distant dream. The technologies unveiled this year, from flying cars to AI-driven emergency systems, are steps toward a new era of smart living. The UAE has positioned itself as a testing ground for global innovation, blending ambition with real-world application. What once felt like science fiction is now shaping daily life, and GITEX remains the world's most vibrant stage for witnessing that transformation firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because the next revolution is already on its way, and it might just take off from Dubai.
Thank you for tuning in. You've been watching KIMLUD Media.